Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best paper scissors is probably one of the most fundamental tools for young artists and crafters. From cutting out shapes to creating intricate designs, paper scissors open up a world of possibilities for kids to explore their creativity and develop fine motor skills. In this video, we'll dive into the world of paper scissors, exploring different types, safety features, and how to choose the perfect pair for your child. Number 5. Westcott Kids 5-inch Blunt Tip Scissors, 6-pack. Introducing the Westcott Kids Scissors, designed with safety in mind. These scissors are perfect for young children, making arts and crafts time enjoyable and worry-free. Available in a pack of 6, each pair comes in a fun, vibrant color that kids will love. They are perfect for use at home or in the classroom. These scissors feature extra strong and durable stainless steel safety blades with rounded tips. The blades are designed to cut paper and other materials effectively while minimizing the risk of injury. The ergonomic design includes molded, asymmetrical handles, allowing for comfortable use by both left and right-handed children. This makes them ideal for any child. These scissors are the ultimate kids' art supplies, easily cutting through paper, string, and more. They are great for school projects and creative activities. This multi-pack is perfect for classrooms, daycares, or crafting parties. They are a convenient and essential tool for any young artist. What we like. This scissor is designed for both left and right-handed users, making it versatile for all kids. The safety blades ensure that your child can safely explore their creativity. If you have multiple children or a classroom setting, this multi-pack is perfect for sharing and crafting together. What people say. The scissors are the perfect size for little hands. They cut paper very well. The safety features are great. Number 4. Crayola Toddler Safety Scissors, 3PK. These are designed for safe and fun paper cutting. They are perfect for toddlers and young children, ensuring a worry-free experience. This set includes straight, wavy, and zigzag blades. It's ideal for various art projects and crafts, providing multiple creative options. With plastic blades and rounded tips, these scissors are perfect for classroom crafting. They are designed with safety in mind for young users. The ergonomically designed handles fit comfortably in little hands. They are suitable for both left and right-handed use, making them accessible for all. These scissors are perfect for creative projects, allowing toddlers to express their artistry. They encourage imagination and artistic exploration. Constructed from high-quality, child-safe materials, these safety scissors are built to withstand frequent use. They are made to last through many creative sessions. Crayola school supplies are trusted by teachers and loved by students. They are perfect for classrooms, homeschool, and creative learning, including crayons, markers, and more. What we like. This set offers 3 different cutting styles, perfect for a variety of toddler art projects. With plastic blades and rounded tips, it prioritizes safety for preschoolers. If you are looking for a way to introduce your toddler to the world of crafting, this is a great choice for developing their creativity. What people say. They are lightweight and easy to hold for my daughter. There is also no way for them to cut themselves. There is no blade, just plastic, not sharp, but I was able to cut through cardboard. They don't cut hair or skin, but cut paper great. My daughter is 3 and seems to have learned how to use them with ease. Great scissors for toddlers, very colorful. It is good value for money, easy to hold in both hands whether you are left-handed or not. They are pretty durable. I like that each scissor when cutting gives a different shape. These are safe for toddlers. Number 3. LOVESTOWN Kids Safety Scissors, 4PCS. Introducing these safety scissors, designed with your child's safety in mind. They feature blunt tips and an anti-pinch design, ensuring a worry-free crafting experience. This makes it perfect for young children. You'll receive 4 pairs in bright colors, perfect for developing color recognition skills. The handles are ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in little hands, suitable for both left and right-handed use. The built-in spring makes opening and closing the scissors effortless. Parents can rest assured, as these scissors are designed not to cut fingers or hair. This helps children get accustomed to using scissors. These scissors are ideal for preschool, kindergarten, and various art projects. They are perfect for cutting paper, Play-Doh, making greeting cards, and scrapbooking. It is a versatile tool for creative expression. Made with a whole plastic body and arc edges, these scissors are durable and safe. They are designed to only cut paper and cards and have passed rigorous testing. This ensures a safe and enjoyable experience for your child. What we like. The built-in spring and plastic body design prevents pinching, ensuring a safe experience. The ergonomic handles are easy for little hands to manage. If you like bright colors and want to help your child develop color recognition skills, this scissor set is a fun and safe option. What people say. The scissors easily cut paper and cardstock. The assist that can be flipped down is an excellent idea. They cut through paper just fine, but won't cut hair. Number 2. AMASSAN Toddler Safety Scissors Kit. Introducing the AMASSAN Toddler Safety Scissors Kit. This kit is designed with safety in mind, featuring safety edge blades to protect kids during craft projects. It comes with 60 sheets of paper for cutting. These scissors have shiny, smooth handles in 3 different colors, making them attractive and easy to grip. The design ensures they are comfortable for little hands, and the blunt tips provide extra safety. With a safer blade angle and round tips, these scissors are perfect for school-age children. They are made of non-toxic, environmentally friendly plastic, ensuring your child's safety. Both left and right hands can use them. Kids can create fun designs with these scissors, which only cut paper and card. This set helps develop fine motor skills and cognitive abilities. The included activity sheets stimulate creativity with various themes. This kit includes a paper cutting project book with 60 pre-printed activity sheets. It's a great starter set for young artists, suitable for both school and home use. Remember to supervise your children while they use them. What we like. The safety edge blade protects kids from accidental cuts, perfect for classroom projects. It also includes 60 sheets of craft paper to get them started right away. If you are looking for a complete set to encourage your child's fine motor skills and creativity, this is a great choice. What people say. Comes with 3 different colored scissors, which is nice for siblings, and cards with cute pictures to be cut. The scissors cut the paper really well despite being not at all sharp, but they don't cut thicker paper as cleanly or as easily. The design is safe with rounded tips, and they work well for paper cutting without posing any danger. Number 1. Sopito 3 PCS Kid Scissors for ages 2 to 8. These scissors come in 3 adorable animal shapes, a dolphin, a crocodile, and a toucan. The fun designs are sure to capture your child's attention. It's a perfect gift for birthdays or Children's Day. Made from shock-resistant and safe ABS plastic, these scissors have blunt tips. They are durable and won't easily break, even if dropped. Simply wipe them clean with a wet or dry cloth. Each pair of scissors measures 4.7 by 2.6 inches. They have comfortable handles designed for small hands. They are suitable for both right and left-handed children over 2 years old. These plastic scissors are great for various crafting projects. They are perfect for cutting paper, Play-Doh, and photos. It's a great tool for handcraft classes and helps kids explore their creativity. The blades are made of plastic, so keep them away from fire. Always supervise your child when they are using the scissors to ensure their safety. What we like. These scissors come in fun animal shapes, making them appealing to young children. Made of safe ABS plastic with blunt tips, it is durable and harmless. If you like your kids to have fun while learning, this is a perfect choice for encouraging their artistic expression. What people say. They cut only paper. The size for small hands, plus the identical holes for little fingers, allow left or right-handers to hold these without fidgeting with the grip. They do cut only paper. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.